Hey guys, it's me again, back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Discord JavaScript installation error where you might have gotten to a point where your Discord app would just stop opening whenever you clicked on it. It wouldn't open no matter what. And well, you might have tried to reinstall it and then you started getting a JavaScript error, and yeah, Discord still wouldn't open and you'd get a JavaScript error every time you open up your PC. I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is delete Discord from your computer entirely. So you see the icon here, you want to drag that to the recycle bin, empty recycle bin, get rid of it completely if you got it down here on your taskbar. Yeah, so you're going to want to close that and get it out of there. You're going to want to delete it. And well, so yeah, I'm going to close it, and once you've done that, you're going to need to go to Task Manager. So, well, I just removed it from the, if I can ever do it. Yeah, there we go. So, you're going to want to make sure you can see your background processes, and if Discord is still running here, you're going to want to stop all the processes that are running Discord. So, all these, just end task. So yeah, once you've done that, there's some more things you got to delete. So what you're going to want to do here is go to the file app data with a percentage sign at the front and end. You can't, it's nowhere on your PC. The only way you can get there is by searching it, and it'll take you here, and you see you'll have a Discord folder here. You're going to want to delete that too. And then once that's deleted, you're going to need to go to another hidden folder called local app data, and you're going to have some more Discord folders here. Right here it says Discord. You're going to want to delete that. You're basically just going to want to get Discord off your computer entirely. You know, all the files, everything. Just make sure that anybody who looked at your PC right now wouldn't be able to tell that Discord was ever installed on at any point. Just completely wipe it. And then once that's done, you should be able to just install Discord back normally. You know, just go to the website and download it, and it should work now. So anyway, leave a comment if you have any questions. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.